I made some videos recently about how partnership ads are cranking on Meta ads. They're doing incredibly well, and they still are. So let me show you. We started working with this brand here. They were doing $1.5 to $2,000 a day. Now, just the other day, they did $11,000 in a single day, which puts them on a run rate of about $300,000 to $400,000. Just looking at the last 30 days here, obviously you can see how partnership ads are going. Now, in honesty, that isn't just partnership ads in itself. It's a lot of different things that we went and implemented when we started working with this brand. But I've then seen a lot of people go and implement partnership ads and they do it completely wrong. And it's not as simple as just going and launching partnership ads in an account. You actually need to do this right. And so what I'm going to give you is the 3 real pillars that you need to make sure you get right to make partnership ads work for you. It isn't as simple as just go get an influencer, get them to shoot a video, post it, run it in the account. If it was, I would be a trillionaire by now. And so it's a little bit harder than that. Let me give you 3 constraints. So constraint number 1, the post needs to feel organic. We have tested a lot of whitelisting ads recently, and if the post seems salesy, if it seems like an ad, they just don't work. The reason why partnership ads are working really well in some specific cases across our accounts right now is because those particular posts, all of them that are performing well, they feel organic. They don't feel like an ad. They're very much so UGC done right. And that's the thing. A lot of people say, oh, UGC doesn't work for me, unfortunately. Well, UGC does work. It's just you don't know how to create a good piece of UGC content. You don't know how to script it properly. You don't know how to pick the right influencer. And then you don't know how to execute across the editing style as well. And so UGC works incredibly well. You just need to know how to do it right. And the same thing applies to partnership ads here. Partnership ads work incredibly well. The post just needs to feel organic. And that's why they work well, because people see it coming from a personal profile, not from a company page, which breaks down that barrier and increases the hook and hold rates through the ad. Number 2, and this is a really big one that we've also noticed, is that the copy needs to be aligned with the video messaging. So when the influencer or whoever it is that's making the post that you're collaborating with goes and makes the post, the copy that they put on there, you can't edit it. You're stuck with that copy. And so you need to make sure that you're ideally providing the copy to that creator so that they can just go and copy your copy and paste it straight in, or else they can go and just put whatever in there and it might not be aligned with what's actually in the video. And we've seen this a couple of times now, where people have just gone out and gone, oh, partnership ads work really well. Let me just contact an influencer, make a post, grab it, put it in the account. But the copy is either nothing or it's something like, really enjoyed this product, hashtag flowers. And you're like, that's not going to convert. Even though copy isn't the biggest deal when it comes to content on Meta, the creative is obviously a lot more important. Still does matter. You want to make sure that copy is actually driving people to an outcome rather than just being completely misaligned with the video messaging. And then the last one, which is should be fairly obvious, but we ourselves have made mistakes here. And so this is actually harder to do than it is to talk about, which is that the target audience of the creator needs to have a direct overlap with your target demo. In fact, in a very, very ideal world, the face of the person needs to be the target demographic. And so whoever you're targeting, that's the person that needs to be in the ad. And the closer that we've gotten to having a one-to-one on this person is identical to our exact target demographic, they're the ones that have performed the best, because their audience is generally clones of them. People often end up attracting to people that are similar to them, right? You're not going to go and follow someone that has no similarities to you. You want either similarities in worldviews, you want similarities in interests, you want similarities in clothing, visuals, maybe editing styles that you like. You're going to attract towards a similar niche. And that's why partnership ads with the combination of these 3 factors end up working so well, because you end up getting served an ad from someone that you might already know, or you've seen their videos before, or it's just someone that you would generally resonate with organically on the platform. You get the post, it looks completely organic. It's coming from their profile. It's a very organic feeling post. So you're watching through, then you'll go into the copy and you're going, oh, this is actually a product sell. They're trying to sell me something. Let me read about it. Oh, okay, I'm actually interested now. Click through, really high conversion rates off the back of the click through. And so if you're going to go and run partnership ads, if this is something that you're going to work on introducing into your account, you really need to make sure you nail these things. And I cannot stress enough that if you 7 out of 10 miss, and then you 7 out of 10 this, and you 7 out of 10 this, it won't work. Like, you need to dial in all of these things together to compound and see really good results through partnership ads and see the results that I showed you previously, going from 1K a day to 11K a day. So this needs to be as close to a 10 as possible. This needs to be as close to a 10 as possible. And if you get all of these up there, you'll take off. But if you don't, that's why. You need to rank yourself, rank the videos that you're putting in your account right now across these 3 dimensions. And if you're crushing it on all 3, it's almost guaranteed to work.